Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite a while since I've not uploaded the video, and it was quite a rough week and I was just going through a lot of things, so that's the reason. And most of you kept asking me why the video is not up and why I haven't been uploading, so this is the reason for it, and I'm sorry for not uploading the video. So at the end of the video I have shared a haul of my shopping, so you guys love to watch it. I use this book more as a memory book, as you guys know, and mainly I write down what happened that particular day. For example, it may be a tiny thing of happiness or a memorable thing. So that is what I do, and once I finish the entire month and I look back, it feels so good. So yeah. In the last vlog, I had shared a hairstyle video and most of you guys liked it and also requested me to do a detailed video and a tutorial on it, so which I'm going to be doing it. And as I told you, since I was busy this week, I couldn't do, so surely in the next vlog I'll definitely share how I did that hairstyle. So the other day my father bought this whole set of snack box. So we had a variety of snack inside this box. So you get the sweet and the spicy one and this dry samosa. So I am just eager to try out everything in this box. So today I'm just going to try this. So recently I purchased quite a lot of stuff from Plum. So because the sale was going on, like buy two get two free, and I had quite few products in wish list. And before I buy all these, I had purchased a mini version, and I tried all of it, and it works so well. And especially like in my night routine, also I use a lot of Plum products. It works wonders on my skin. So I have many things here, so I'm just going to share. And so firstly I'm going to share the mini box. So first one is this. So this is the body oil from Hawaii Rumba. So I have in the mini version also, and it smells so good, so I bought it in the full size. And the next one is the mist. So this mist is like the full size, so it smells, if you have tried any of these range, you know how it smells so good and refreshing. So this is the mist. It is in the fuller size again. It's a bit pricier side, but then if you really want to purchase, you can wait for offers or sales. So that is the time it's worth it when you're purchasing. And the next one is the kajal. So everybody knows that Plum kajal is so good. It's so dark, and it just blends so smoothly. And then I got two of these mini gift. So this is again a body mist. So this is a tiny body mist. So I have another one in the packet. So it's dripping mimosa. So it smells quite good. Like not so, I'm not a great fan of this, but it's okay, it's nice. So that is all in the first box, and then I have the bigger box here. So the first one is the body yogurt. So again, all of these are from Hawaii Rumba range. So this is the body yogurt from Hawaii Rumba. So this is how it looks, and again, it smells so good. So I really wanted, you know, all these perfume and mists from this range, so I purchased everything when there was offer. And then I bought 2 sets of this deodorizing pit cream. So these are the things. And then I have this in the mini version and I tried it, so I bought it in the fuller version. So I'm just going to open one and show you guys. So the packaging is so good, like it's so colorful and so pretty. And then I have and then there is this kind of thing, and then when you open it up, so I mean there's a seal. I don't want to open it. I am just going to open when I'm using it because I don't want to, you know. So you know, once you want it, you can just scoop it out and then use it. So that's how it works. So this is how it looks from inside. And then lastly, I have this again Hawaii Rumba, you know, the Deo box. So I purchased all of these, and then I saw this. I really wanted this especially only for the box. I mean, it's so colorful and nice. And this whole set is like 1,000 something, but on the sale it was only for 700. So I think it's a steal deal. So I purchased, and again I have the mist, the body mist, and then I have shower gel from Hawaii Rumba. So there was this thingies in the box, and then they have this scrubber or whatever in the box. So these are the things, and I really love how this thing looks. It's so cute and nice. So that is about the tiny haul. And also I'm just going to share another few things which I purchased separately from this. Next thing is I purchased this you know, pencil eyeshadow from Chambord. So I always wanted to do this brown black smoky eye look, but I couldn't do it like properly. It was looking kind of like not so good. So I was searching like for the tutorial and all, and I came across one tutorial where she just used this product. She just applied it on the lid, and then on top of it she just applied black eyeshadow, and she just a little bit of smudging, and then it was looking so good. And once this arrived, I did try it on my eyes. It was looking so good and nice, so I thought of showing it to you. So this is how it looks. I'm not going to use a lot of product because it's going to be wasted. So this costed me of 700 rupees. So yeah, that's about it. And I purchased few things from Zivame, and I'm not going to be sharing that haul, but I got this as a free, like, you know, free gift for purchasing all of it. And this is like a lavender. I mean, we had an option for selecting whichever gift we wanted, like a lip balm or hand creams or lotion. I just selected this hand cream, so which is in the lavender, you know, fragrance. This is how the tube looks, and it doesn't smell that great. It just smells like some oil, like, you know, some oil, I don't know. It doesn't smell like a cream at all. Like, it smells like Ayurvedic oil. So that's about it. So this was a tiny haul. Hope you liked it. So yeah. So that is all for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please subscribe and support me, and thank you so much for watching the video.